Welcome to Build It for the Web, where we build all things web related step by step so we know how the code behind it works. Today we're going to create a very nice looking 3D cards in rotation animation. What we have on the screen right now is what the final result will look like. Okay, let's start coding. The first thing we will do is just to create a simple rectangle in the middle of our screen. Our next step is to create a child element and give it the same size as the parent and then style it. By setting the inset property to 0, we will give our child element the same size as its parent. Okay, now let's rotate the parent element minus 15 degrees on the x-axis. This will tilt all the content that we have created up till now slightly towards us. We will also give the transform property a perspective value of 1000 pixels. Setting the perspective value determines the distance between the viewer, us, and the plane we're working on, and will create depth. By setting the perspective value, we can make translate Z have an effect. And now we're also going to transform our child element. We'll give it a value for rotate Y and translate Z. We can now clearly see that we have placed the child rectangle in front of our parent rectangle. If we play around a little bit with the index CSS variable that we have set on our child element, we can see that it determines where the child element will be placed around the parent element. The next step will be to place the other rectangles around our parent element to come close to the final result we're looking for. Let's do that real quick. Now that we have placed the other rectangles around the parent rectangle, we only need to rotate the parent rectangle. To achieve this, we'll set a simple keyframe animation and apply it to the parent rectangle. Alright, we're all set and done. Let's take a look at our final work. Pretty cool final result, right? And it didn't even take that much code to achieve it. The original code for this animation can be found on uiverse.io, and the link to the code can be found in the description. If there are any other animations or web components you want me to explain, let me know in the comments. I'll be making many more of these kinds of videos. Until next time, bye bye!